thanks for clicking on my video. We're going to do a quick mani with the new NailBoo colors. I'm going to demo how to do an ombre, so sit back, relax, enjoy, and if I need to pop in, I will, and if I don't, just enjoy the pretty Christmas tunes. When doing an ombre, it's good to work slow, and if you're concerned about getting too much glitter sort of out of control before you're ready, I recommend sort of breaking the nail into thirds and working at the cuticle first, then adding more base and working on the center. When you're doing the end, you can actually kind of feather the base in, I do like 3 tiers. I would say the biggest tip for doing an ombre is to don't be afraid to go slow and to take your brush and move it from closer to the nail to farther from the nail to change the density of the flakes that are falling or the glitters. And then you can go in and you can place the larger pieces one by one. I never remember to say this, but if you're enjoying the content, please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what else you'd like to see.